Hey you! What's up, everybody? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. Welcome to my channel. And if you're returning, welcome back. So today, I'll be now checking out a video or a performance done by Odd. And this is called Expo 2025. I'm not sure what to expect. Once it comes with performance and everything like that, it's always an astonishing job. Okay, people. So we're gonna check out this order, this Expo 2025. I'm not sure the title, whatever, but you guys should know the reason why you've clicked here. Okay, so without further ado, let's hear what order has in store for us. Peace. The caging looks amazing though. Guys, one thing with Audio, alright, whenever time the performance should be started, it's always this bizarre entrance, right? Like the entrance is just so bizarre, bro. It is just so amazing. It is just so creative.
この風はどこから来たのと問いかけても空は何も言わないこの歌は
Her voice is such a magical voice. It's always an amazing feeling to listen to what Ado have to say, right? Because she sings with such an amazing persona. It is something that gives you the impression that beautiful sounds existed.
どこへたどり着くの見つけたい自分
To cut her in the cage here, bro.
答えを
Too amazing.
まだ知らない海の果てと漕ぎ出そうまだ一つの夢決して譲れない心にを当てて
Damn, bro! Nice! Like, this is nice, bro. The music, it's just nice. Her voice is such a beautiful thing. Alright? And just look at how the graffiti here looks amazing. The colors are very colorful scenery. She's spectacular. Everything she does, it is just based off being spectacular. This is why I love Audo's music so much, right? And this is why I love the fact that whenever time she comes to perform, it's always such a creativity that gives you the look in of the fact that you can't just watch without paying attention of what she's giving. She's a marketing strategy. She's a marketing genius. This is very genial.
願いのまま進めいったってあなたへ届くように歌は花々をかける新しい風になれ それぞれ
Ra, ra, ra! You see? Her vocals are beautiful, bro. Way too amazing, bro.
に幸せを目指し傷ついてもそれでも手を伸ばすよ悲しみも強さに変わるなら荒れ狂う嵐も越えていけるはず信 散るその旅の果てでまた会いたい目覚めたまま見る夢決して覚めは
Damn, bro. Damn. Just lovely. Just lovely. Excellent performance. Right? What magnificence. What magnificence.
しない水平線の彼方その影に手を振るよいつまでもあなたへ届くように歌は大きく広げた方がもっと青い風になれ
Ah, no! God damn it, bro. God damn it. She is just amazing, dog. Like, even her dance moves are cute. I just can't get enough.
ただ一つの夢誰も奪えない私が消え去っても歌は響き続ける言葉でもあなたへ
Oh, mind blowing! Blah, blah. Bro, mind blowing, bro, mind blowing. That was unexpected. I just love the fact that her voice is just so originally amazing, bro. Wow!
届くように歌は大海原を駆ける新しい風になれ
Amazing music, Ado. Amazing music. Amazing music. You've outdone yourself again. So, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys made it thus far, remember to leave a like, subscribe, share this to a friend, telling him or her about me, the Jamaican reactor. I'll see you guys in another auto reaction.